Boycott Chinese, be Atmanirbhar. Whether a mirage or a reality, anti-China sentiments are at a high in India right now. People on social media have been asking others to boycott Chinese brands and products. The standoff between India and China over border issues and the coronavirus pandemic both have escalated anti-China sentiments in India. Social media users in India have been blatantly asking for a boycott of Chinese brands and products, including smartphones and apps in the country. Just last week, boycott TikTok and remove China apps were trending in India. The latter targets apps from Chinese developers installed on the user's phone and provide them with simple steps to uninstall them from their handset. However, the app was taken down by Google Play Store citing policy violations. Leaving that apart, now let us get briefed about several reasons that have incited anti-China sentiments in India. The very first and obvious is the COVID-19 global pandemic, which is believed to be intentionally spread by China worldwide. Secondly, border tensions between India and China, which have escalated on the Ladakh frontier, have escalated national sentiment. In India, these sentiments have additionally found expression in a nascent consumer movement for the boycott of Chinese products and services. Similar sentiments were observed during the border dispute between India and China in 2017 for the Doklam territory, when the Chinese troops with construction vehicles and road building material began expanding an existing road southward in Doklam. Next is that the China always had and will always have good relations with Pakistan, whether it's on trade, military or any other front. The last reason is that China had always opposed India's permanent membership at the United Nations Security Council. But whether a complete ban on Chinese products or brands is achievable. Is India in a position to boycott Chinese products? The answer is no. Let us analyze. The first reason is India-China trade volume. India's trade with China was $87.07 billion in 2018-19. In this duration, Indian import from China was US $70.32 billion in 2018-19, while Indian export to China was just $16.75 billion. It means India's trade deficit with China was $53.57 billion in 2018-19. Secondly, popularity of Chinese products. Why Chinese products are so popular or favorite in Indian market? The reasons are: the first one, the cost of production in China is low due to the availability of cheap labor force. Secondly, the manufacturing sector in China gets a subsidy from the government, which reduces the cost of production of the goods. And last, Chinese manufacturers produce a huge quantity of the goods, which reduces the cost of per unit. The next reason is high cost of production in India. The cost of production of Indian manufacturers is high due to costly raw material, the old technique of production, higher fixed cost. Due to the higher cost of production, Indian products cannot compete with Chinese products in India and at the international level. Fourthly, WTO rules. It is not possible to impose a full ban on imports from any country, even if there are no diplomatic, regional and trade relations with that country. But the government of India can ban some Chinese products on basis of health and security issues. Commerce and Industry Minister replied in the Lok Sabha that the government of India had banned Chinese mobiles that don't have an IMEI number. Similarly, China has also banned Indian milk products on the basis of serious health issues. We come at a point where we require a solution. What is the solution? India can impose an anti-dumping duty and countervailing duty on the cheap Chinese products like electronic items and toys. After the imposition of these two duties, the prices of Chinese products increase in the Indian market. Hence, Indian manufacturers will have the chance to produce these products on Indian soil, which will generate employment in India. The question to be pondered over is What will be the impacts of ban on Chinese products in India? It is a well-known fact that the Indian market is a price-sensitive market. Here a company has to keep the price low to penetrate the market. Indian consumers are more concerned about the price of the products, not the quality. So if Chinese products are banned or boycotted in India, it can raise the inflation rate in India. So, before taking any decision of banning or boycotting of Chinese products, the government of India must remember that China sends just 2% of its total export to India, while India sends 8% of its total export to China. Hence, Government of India here needs to make a rational decision, not the emotional one on this matter. Concluding the video, I would like to say that the government-led Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign for a self-reliant India has an unstated but obvious intent to reduce dependence on made in China goods and services. But unless a critical mass of Indians can be persuaded to voluntarily pay more in the perceived nationalistic cause of inflicting economic pain on China, such boycott Chinese campaigns may not meet that objective.